My name is Mr. Reporter.
Hi, my name is Mr. Recycle.
My name is Man.
Okay, guys. Hi, Mr. Recycle. Hi, Man.
Well, hi, Mr. Reporter.
And hi, Mr. Recycle.
And hi, Mr. Recycle.
Hi, guys. Hi, Mr. Reporter, and hi, Mr. Man.
So, we have a big problem here. We have a rainforest problem. It's getting destroyed.
We have to save the animals and the red-eyed tree frogs.
Yeah, there's not really any red-eyed tree frogs.
But what if there is, and they're dying?
Okay, then let's try to go to the rainforest. Whoa, that's the biggest tree I ever seen. Did we plant it? Yes, we did.
Okay, now let's get ready to save the red-eyed tree frog.
Well, just so you know, rainforest trees go really, really, really tall.
Yeah, that is true, Mr. Man. And we have the biggest tree of our life in our backyard. So let's try to shrink it by giving it no water. Weep, 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 weep.
Uh-oh, that's even smaller than us.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter.
Okay, wow, that was so tiny. Now it is big. Bye.